How's it, TLV family? Welcome to yet another episode of our weekly videos. Before we start, I want to say thank you to everybody who's a member of this family, for those that joined us recently, and those that have been with us from day one. I appreciate you guys more than you ever know. I've got a good one for you today, and it is the SoundPEATS Mini Pro Hybrid True Wireless Earbuds. Let's go. This is a SoundPEATS Mini Pro Hybrid with active noise cancelling. A bit of spec for you here. Bluetooth version 5.2, maximum working range 10 meters, playtime 7 hours for single charge, and up to 21 hours with the charging case. Fair enough. Alright, let's pop this open. Hear your imagination. Big talk. On opening the box, this is what you get: the SoundPEATS Mini Pro Hybrid case with the earbuds in them, USB Type-C charging cable, and extra ear tips. Now we're gonna put these ones aside because these are not what we're interested in right now. Right here, this is it. Alright, a velvety feel to it. It's very nice, rather small. I thought the case was gonna be bigger from the pictures. This is a proper fingerprint magnet, so if that's a problem for you, I don't know, you gotta deal with it. Alright, yeah, we've got the SoundPEATS written on it with the charge indicator here. Behind it, USB Type-C charging port. Alright, that's cool. Let's pop this open. Alright, nothing spectacular, just the same regular design on the SoundPEATS. This is cool. Alright, okay, charge indicator. It's yellow, so I'm assuming it needs a bit of a charge. And these ones, red indicators on them because they are probably pulling power from the charge case right now. Alright, before we go any further, you know how we do it. Our shake test. Let's go. Alright, it's in position. The magnet is really holding it down. It's a rather very strong magnet. When you touch it, you can feel it. This is really good so far. Alright, let's look at it. Okay. Oh yeah, there, just in between the charge pins, you can see the magnet right there. That is nice. See it? In between the charge pins. Alright, I like the way this looks. The same inner ear shaped design that most earbuds seem to be coming in these days. Is cool. Alright, we've got a mic here. We've got another mic just right by the side of the indicator light there. Alright, right there, just beside the indicator light, you see a little mic port there, and there's one on the side here. And this, let me do that again. Alright, okay, let's do a fit test. Let's see how well this fits. Right, okay, let's do a fit test. Alright, okay, firstly, there is no pain, there is no discomfort, it's comfortable, I'll give them that. It's lightweight, very lightweight. I don't know, for some reason, I feel like it's sticking out of my ear. It's comfortable, but it's not like a very good fit because it feels like it's sticking out of my ear. Although it's small, I'm still feeling most of the bulk of it sticking out of my ear. Yeah, I would not go running with these. It feels like it will slip out. I'm wearing the perfect fit for the ear tip. It's not painful, it is not uncomfortable. But for some reason, I still feel the bulk of the earbud sticking out of my ear. So might not bother some people, but that definitely bothers me. But it's a good fit, I'll say. Alright, let's pair these. Let's see how easy it is to do. Let's go. Alright, that was very good. That was great. That was comfortable. Now let's just move further with this. Let's go to pairing. And like I always do, first of all, to start the pairing process, I always want to put the earbuds back in the case. You follow this process, you always get it right. Put the earbuds back in the case, then take them out. Oh, sorry about that. Take them out of the case and let them pair, let them connect to each other. You see the double blinking lights here is an indication of them pairing together. Now we've got just this one blinking red, so this is the primary earbud, but now they're connected to each other. So what you do next is go to your Bluetooth settings on your phone or your device, whatever it is, and search for it right there, SoundPEATS Mini Pro, and you pair. Easy breezy, connected, easy breezy. It's very easy. Now they are connected to your device. Both earbuds are connected to your device. All right, let's test these. Let's play something, see how they sound. All right, cool.
Wow. Wow. Okay, I'm at crossroads with this one. I'll tell you, I don't think I like the fit very well, how it fits. I don't think I like it very well, but the sound this produces, it is amazing. It is a full, clear, clean sound. Very clean, crisp. It is very nice. If you're a bass head, no problem. If you're not a bass head, you will still enjoy this. This is great. The sound from this is amazing. You hear everything. You know, like you're listening to an orchestra and they're like about the climax with the music and everything, and you hear everything, the whole sound. Everything clear and clean. I am amazed. I think this is the best SoundPEATS product I've come across. This must be the best one. The sound is great. I'm at crossroads because I don't like the fit. Me personally, it might not bother other people, but me, it feels like this part of it is sticking out, and like most of the weight of this seems like it's on this part of it. But the sound, great sound, amazing. This is really good. Wow. I'm at crossroads with this one. Wow, this is a great sound. Great sound. If the fit doesn't bother you, get this. I assure you, you would not be disappointed by the sound. By the sound, you would not be disappointed. Wow. All right. Let's go test control. Let's go test controls.
Let's test some controls right now. First of all, let's just test we're just gonna test the basic controls. There's anything else you want, it's in the manual. If you get these, you'll see it, but there's a bunch of them. Firstly, the volume control. To increase the volume, you tap once on the right earbud. That will increase the volume. One tap on the right earbud increases the volume, and a tap on the left earbud decreases the volume. To pause and play on this, you tap twice on the right earbud. Twice on the right earbud would pause and play. Tap on the right earbud would pause and play. Tap on the left earbud would also pause and play. To go to the next track, you hold the right earbud till the music changes. Okay? You hold down. Hold till the music changes on the right earbud. Now, this is the first problem I've found so far with this earbud, and that is the fact that there are no controls. There is no control to go to the previous song. So if you want to go back to a previous song you were listening to, you'd have to go to your device and go back. That is a problem, because it doesn't make any sense to have a control to go to the next song and no control to go to your previous song. That just makes no sense. I mean, you've done everything else, might as well do that. Now, these other controls you can try when you get this earbud. If you want to go, you can go through them. But right now, we're just testing the basics. So for now, I am very, very pleased with these. The only problem I have is the fact that you cannot go back to a previous song you were listening to because there's no control for it. Well done, SoundPEATS. Well done.
Alright, after using this for some time, I'm just going to summarize. Now, the range on this, and when I say range, I mean the distance between the earbud in your ear and whatever device is connected to, 10 meters. Anything past that, the connection starts to get choppy or might even drop. Alright, now the call quality on this, amazing. I'll give it a very strong 8. It is clear. They will hear you clearly, and the noise cancelling feature actually really helps the call. It is amazing. The call quality really great. Now, the battery. you get 7 hours on normal use, and when I say normal use, I mean without using the noise cancelling. With the noise cancelling, you get 5 hours, and with the charging case, you get roughly 20-21 hours thereabout. Everything else sounded great. The sound was amazing. I only have 2 problems with this. 2 problems. First one I have is the fit. I think for me, I don't think it would bother a lot of people, that this is just me, all right? The fit for me felt a bit not balanced. It felt like most of the weight of it is sticking out your ear, and just a little bit of it is in your ear. It is comfortable, but I don't know, I was very conscious of it. Might not bother other people, like I said, but for me, I was conscious of it. I also remember people have different sized ears, so what might be my problem might not be yours, but I'm just telling you from my experience, okay? Now, second problem I had, controls. You have a control to go to the next track, but you do not have any control to go to the previous track. So if you're listening to something and you're like, oh, let me hear that again or something, and then there's no control to go back to it, to the previous song, you have to go to your device to change it. Might not bother other people, but that bothers me. So yeah, that's my observation with this. But if you ask me if this is worth it, very much so. Get it if you want it. Thank you for watching the video till the end. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you do not like the video, give it a thumbs up anyways. You're not hurting anybody. If you're watching these videos and this is your first time, consider subscribing to the channel. If you're watching these videos every other week and you're not subscribed yet, I don't know what I did to you. Just click the subscription button and the notification bell, so when I put out a video, you'll be notified. All right. Now, if you're using this product or you plan on using it or something, let me know in the comment section. Talk to me in the comment section. I want to know what your take is on it. And also, if there's something you'd like to see on this channel, leave it in the comment section or send me an email. All right. So comment section. Till next time, take care.